Unity. As I sit in the stillness, I allow my mind to turn within and reflect on the virtue of unity. Unity is harmony within and amongst individuals in a group. Unity continues by accepting and appreciating each person for his or her contribution. Unity is built from a shared goal, hope, or vision. Unity makes big tasks seem easy. The greatness of unity is that everyone is respected. One note of disrespect can cause unity to be broken. Unity creates the experience of cooperation. It increases enthusiasm for the task and makes the atmosphere empowering. Know yourself as this beautiful star of peace, just energy, a light that is beyond this body. Unity creates the sense of belonging and increases well-being for all. I am a star who radiates vibrations of unity. And as I fill myself with this wonderful quality, I allow this energy to radiate into our world, into our families, and into our community and country. Once again, I return back to the present, back to the now. Om Shanti.